Fortnite shopping with Big Chester. I'm assuming that you are now playing Fortnite. And that's the final video for the playlist series, Fortnite After 60. We're going to go window shopping and try and understand the Fortnite shop. Yeah. And VBucks and Battlestars and things like that. Yeah. Stand by. Yeah. Let's get down to the nitty gritty, right? Here we go. Right. See where it says locker? Click on it. Click on it! Just click on it! Where it says locker at the top, right there. Just click on it. Right. Just click on it. Where it says locker. Not the shop one, not yet. Locker. Oh, wait. Let's spend some money. Not real money, pretend money. Okay. Click on the locker. How's that look? That's okay. Oh, I've got to shrink the shop over. No. Alright. You've clicked on the locker, and this is what you get. That's fine. That's chestnut right there. Outfit. You can have various outfits. As you play Fortnite, as you progress in the game of Fortnite, you get different ones, different characters. This is my character. This is the one I play with all the time. Because I like being a tomato. And this one was gifted to me by another Fortnite player. Yeah, but you can buy your own. With VBucks, or as you earn Battlestars. Yeah. Or you get the Battle Pass. Yep. But this one is mine. But I've got all these other ones too, right? I've got that one. Dr. Doom. Yeah. And they're all chances, right? And you can pick one or pick your favourite one. Like this Peabody. I like Peabody. He's pretty sick. Yep. He's a funny looking character, he is. But there's Chester. And that's my favourite one. And that's the one I use, right? Yeah. You ever want to change my, like, accessories? I've got back bling. I can have all this stuff on my back. See, that's my backpack. I can have this one. It looks like I'm delivering pizzas. Yep. Or I can have this one. Oh, I can have this one. I just click on it. And use the one you want, right? Just whatever one you like, it tickles your pickle. You can just take that one and use that. Yeah. That's not that hard. But I like the FNCS one. That one, that's pretty sick. I like that one. So that's the one I use, right? Pickaxe. Click on it. And there's all the different pickaxes you can get. Alright? There's heaps. See that? It doesn't look like a pickaxe, but it's under the pickaxe. Yep. Them ones? Whoa, no way. I don't know. I have one like that. That's pretty sick. Ooh, that's a good one. And that's like the Hearts Carver, which is a sword, but it's in the pickaxe selections. And that one. That's pretty cool. A pickaxe you use for smashing stuff, right? Choppy, yeah. And okay, now we need to jump out of the battle bus. You go Fox 5, Geronimo. You get to pick your different parachute pickabee bobs. Yep. That's the one I'm currently using. But I can change it if I want. Or that one. Or that one. Whoa. A Fist of Doom glider. Ooh. I never knew I had that go, boy. And then there's this other one. Oh, that's a cool one. Yep. So if you want to change your glider or your parachute pickabee bob, whatever you want to call it, that's how you do it, right? And like I said, you'll get some that are gifted to you and you'll earn some along the way. Contrails, you can pick out the different flavoured contrails you want. See that? Oh, that's pretty sick. Them ones. Whoa, that's a good one. That one. Yeah, big green one. Oh, that one. What about this one? Ooh, that's pretty sick. The Wasteland Drifter. Yep, so you can just have a play around with it and get your favourite stuff. And just keep clicking back, until you get what you want, right? Shop! Time for window shopping. Whoa, this is stuff you can buy, right? But you need to spend V-Bucks, which is these bad boys. Okay? 1,000 V-Bucks is $11.95 Australian, yeah. 2,800 V-Bucks is $30, 35 cents, yeah. And so on and so on and so on, right? I've got 1,050 V-Bucks, right? Which I can use to spend, right? In the shop. You earn V-Bucks as you play games, yeah, and you go along every now and again, you'll get them gifted to you too. I've got the Battle Pass, and if you click on it, right, and you get different, you go through different levels. So this is page 1 of 14, right? If I click on that, it gives me 100 V-Bucks, right here. Right, every time you play a game, right, you get into a different level, yeah. And as you progress, you can pick up things. You don't have to claim everything, no. But you don't have to spend V-Bucks to buy this stuff. You can use what they call Battlestars. Because you earn Battlestars when you play Fortnite too. And you can buy stuff just with your Battlestars, yeah. See, like, that one there, that costs 6 Battlestars. Oh, hang on. That one there. See? 6. This one costs 5 Battlestars. Whoa. This one, this costs 7 Battlestars? Yeah. And if I don't want them, no. What I'm looking for, right, is see if I've got any more V-Bucks I can claim. Because I've got 1,050 and I want more. So I can buy more stuff. Like good stuff, right? I don't think I've got to reach, right? So before I can get more V-Bucks, I've got to reach level 62. Yeah, I'm only level 56 at the moment. So you don't have to go out and pay hard-earned cash for V-Bucks. You can earn them while you play Fortnite, yeah. See? There's another opportunity at level 78. I can buy more, I can earn, right, or win more V-Bucks. And then, at level 82, and the last level there, at level 90, there's more V-Bucks waiting to win, yeah. So you don't have to buy them, right? Close. So it's not that hard, right? And there's other things too, like quests and stuff that you can do and compete. And Korea, yeah. Big chestnut, yeah. No stats available. No, it's so, I don't know. I haven't really competed in anything or done anything. I don't really know anything about that. Anyway, that's chestnut. That's boy chestnut right here. So like I said, I'm making this video, the final one in the series, Fortnite After 60, a gamer's guide to success. Assuming that you're already playing Fortnite. Perhaps you can do just play around in here. Lobby, yeah. Some more stuff. Change the wallpaper when you go waiting for the battle bus. You can change that. There's 33 different types of wallpapers. See that? There's heaps of them. It's funny sick. Those are loading screen wallpapers. Cars. You can get different cars or wheels and things. SUV trucks. Nothing there. All you do is, I don't know much about that. Instruments. Not really into instruments. They don't really tickle my pickle. And then there's jam tracks. That's music. You can pick out music. And Lego kicks. No, I don't go anywhere near that stuff. Anyway. And then that's it. I've finished my window shopping. Big chestnut. It's fun, but remember, every time you buy something, it's going to cost you Battlestars and your whatever V-Bucks you've got in your account. Yeah, but I just pick the necessary stuff. I don't pick the unnecessary stuff. I just pick stuff like I used to when I first started playing Fortnite, pick everything. Yep. I used to, when I first started playing Fortnite, pick everything. You don't need to pick everything. Just pick what you really need, okay? Otherwise you end up with a whole pile of stuff you're never going to use. So just pick up the interesting stuff, yeah. And you'll be okay. And it's up to you. If you want to pick everything when you go shopping, go ahead. And anyway, that's it. The last video in this series. Yep. check out the other videos in the series, Fortnite After 60, and Gamer's Guide to Success. Yep, good chance to earn. That's everything that I know after playing Fortnite for 10 months. I share my secrets and hints and tips and everything. So hopefully you found something in there that you can find useful, being a new Fortnite player yourself. And follow your boy Chester, subscribe here on YouTube, and keep up to date with my new videos. Yep, there's a few of them. Just stay safe out there, have fun, and I wish you all the best. Yep. Thanks for watching. It's Chester. And cut.